morning from Costa Rica and the Amadeus Diamond in the beautiful Champagne region, I believe that's how you pronounce it, of France. We are on the Seine this morning. Let's go see what we have for breakfast. Good morning. We have tomatoes, we have peppers, we have cucumbers, we have lox, we have all the different herrings and more lox. Fresh fruit every morning. All these yogurts to choose and take for the day as well. These look like some toppings for some oatmeal, pancakes, scrambled eggs, cheese glimpses, and finally some hash browns. Every morning there's also fresh pastry, bagels, cream cheese butter, some jams, as well as some beautiful breads. Breakfast of the day, good coffee.